Hello friends, this is Dr. Pawan Jagannath Tamde working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. In this video lecture, we will see certain examples of aromatic molecule. Before proceeding to example, we will see rules of aromaticity. Dear friends, in last lecture on aromaticity, we established rules of aromaticity. So herein we will revise those rules. For any molecule to be in a category of aromaticity, that molecule need to follow this rule. The molecule must be cyclic in nature. Every atom in the ring must be conjugated, that is, there must be alternate single and multiple bonds. The molecule must have 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, that is, it must obey Haeckel's rule of aromaticity. And if molecule obeys these first three rules, then molecule is flat most of the time, with exception of 10-annuline. And when molecule obeys these four rules, then that molecule is said to be aromatic in nature. So with these rules, we will move towards our first example. If you look at this molecule, pyrrole, then in case of pyrrole, the molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated, it is having 2 pi bonds, that is 4 electron, and there is a lone pair of electron present on nitrogen. So the total electron associated with these molecules are 6, and yes, the molecule obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and thus this molecule is aromatic in nature. In this molecule, the lone pair of electron associated with nitrogen is counted for the purpose of aromaticity, and this molecule is aromatic in nature. In the same way, if you look at this molecule, we know that this molecule is aromatic in nature. But look at this molecule in the same way we look after this pyrrole molecule. So this molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated having 2 pi bond, and it is having 2 lone pairs of electron. So if you count number of electron, then it is cyclic, conjugated, 2 double bond means 4 electron, and a lone pair of electron. But there are 2 lone pairs, so 4 electron. So total electrons are 8. So literally, if you think, then this molecule do not satisfy 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and molecule must be not aromatic in its behavior, but this molecule is aromatic in nature. Now the question comes, for aromaticity, which electrons to be counted and which electrons are not supposed to be counted for the purpose of aromaticity? Because if you look at these two example, nitrogen contains 1 lone pair of electron here, and in this case oxygen contains 2 lone pair of electron. However, for the purpose of aromaticity, if we consider only 1 lone pair of electron as a pi electron associated with this ring, then this molecule is aromatic, and indeed this molecule is aromatic in nature. So the obvious question which comes to one's mind is, out of these 2 lone pair of electron, which lone pair of electron to be counted, and what is the rule for that? So let's move towards finding out which lone pair of electron is to be counted. Dear friends, each ring atom can contribute a maximum of 1 p orbital towards the pi system. Remember this point. Either a pi bond or a lone pair is considered as a part of pi system of ring. If pi bond is there, it is considered. If more than one lone pair is present, then only one lone pair of electron is counted for pi system and not all. If pi bond and negative charge is there, then only one is considered, that is, only pi bond is considered, negative charge is not considered, because the rule says that for pi system only 1 p orbital is to be considered for each atom in a ring. So let us have a look at some examples to understand this point more clearly. Now if you look at the same molecule, furan, then it is having 2 pi bonds, and oxygen possesses 2 lone pair of electron. According to above mentioned rule, out of these 2 lone pair of electron, only 1 lone pair of electron is considered as a pi system of this molecule. So this molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated, having 2 pi bonds, that is 4 electron, and having lone pair. It is having 2 lone pair, but out of 2 only 1 is considered, that is 2 electrons. So total pi electrons are 6, and thus molecule satisfies Huckel's rule of aromaticity, and molecule is aromatic in behavior. I hope you understand why we are considering only 1 lone pair of electron of oxygen for aromaticity. Now let us see some more example to explore this concept. If you look at this molecule, pyridine. This pyridine molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated, it is having 3 pi bonds and a lone pair of electron on nitrogen. So it is cyclic, conjugated, having 3 pi bonds, that is 6 electron, and a lone pair. But this lone pair of electron is not counted in pi system. Why it is so? Because this nitrogen already contributed in p orbital through this double bond, and thus this lone pair of electron is not considered as a pi electron system, and so this molecule is having 6 electron and it satisfies 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, so molecule is aromatic in nature. In the same way, look at this molecule, the benzene anion. In case of benzene anion, it is cyclic, conjugated, having 3 pi bond and a negative charge. So this molecule is cyclic, conjugated, having 3 pi bond and a negative charge. But this negative charge is not counted in this case as well, because this negative charge is present on this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is already having a pi bond associated with it, and thus only one, either a double bond or a negative charge, is counted from this carbon atom, and thus total electron which are involved in pi system are 6. So this molecule satisfies 4n plus 2 rule and it is aromatic in nature. In the same way, if you look at this imidazole molecule, in case of imidazole molecule, if you look at this molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated, and it is having 2 pi bonds. If you look at this nitrogen is having 1 pi bond and a lone pair of electron, and this nitrogen is having lone pair of electron but no pi bonds, and this nitrogen is also a part of ring system. So when we do investigation of this molecule, then we got to know that this lone pair of electron present on this nitrogen, which contributes in formation of pi bond as well, this lone pair is not considered for pi system, and thus this molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated, there are 2 pi bond, that is 4 electron, and the lone pair of electron which are contributing to pi system is only 1, which is present on this nitrogen, and this lone pair is not considered. So total electron are 6. So molecule satisfies 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and thus this molecule is aromatic in behavior. Let us have some more examples in the same fashion. Now look at this molecule. This molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated as well, it is having 5 pi bonds. So if you go through this molecule, it is cyclic, it is conjugated, having 5 pi bond, that is total number of pi electrons are 10. So it satisfies Huckel's rule of pi electron. So this molecule is aromatic. Look at this thiophene. Thiophene is also cyclic, conjugated, it is having 2 pi bonds and 2 lone pairs of electron, that is 4 electron. But out of these 2 not counted, because the rule says out of 2 lone pair of electron, only 1 lone pair is counted for pi system. So the total number of pi electrons are 6. The molecule obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and thus it is aromatic in nature. Cyclobutadiene. If you look at this molecule is cyclic conjugated. This molecule is having 2 pi bond. So total number of electron associated with these molecules are 4. So this molecule do not obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, which must have 2, 6, 10, 14 or 18 electron, which is not the case in case of cyclobutadiene. So this molecule is not aromatic in nature. Look at this anion. This anion is cyclic in nature. It is conjugated. It is having 1 pi bond, that is 2 electron, and it is having 2 negative charges, that is 2 say sort of lone pairs of electron, 1 and 2. So the total number of pi electron in this system are 2 electron from this pi bond and 4 electron from this 2 negative charge. So total 6 pi electron, and thus this molecule obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, that is Haeckel rule, and this molecule is aromatic in behavior. Last example of this tutorial. If you look at this cation, then this cation is having cyclic nature. It is conjugated. It is having 3 pi bond, and oxygen is having positive charge. So when we do analysis of this molecule is cyclic, it is conjugated, having 3 pi bond, and there is one lone pair of electron on oxygen, but this lone pair of electron is not counted because oxygen is having 1 pi bond. So the electron which are present in p orbital are already counted in pi system, so this lone pair is not further counted, and thus this molecule is having total 6 pi electron. It obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and thus it is aromatic in nature. Dear friends, if you go through these examples carefully, I hope that you will not find any problem in finding out whether the molecule is aromatic or not aromatic. Thank you for watching my video lecture. Thanks a lot.